Hi guys, and this is a new cool tutorial about the TikTok application. So today we will show you how to fix the problem when you cannot use the selected sound on TikTok. So guys, if you have some problem when you want to choose to use the selected sound on TikTok, but this music isn't available on your device. As an example, you have no option to save it to your favorites or to record video with this sound, with this recording. So as an example, we have this problem here. So we don't have any special button to add this sound to the favorite list, and of course we don't have any button to start recording with this music. So what to do in this situation when you just cannot use your favorite recording, your favorite track? We have a cool option, a cool solution for you. So maybe, probably, most likely your account is a business account. You have this business mode turned on, and right now we will show you how to switch off this option to be able to use any sound you like and prefer on your profile. So let's go to the profiles, to your profile on TikTok. I need to pick here from the Discover to the profile, and right now we will show you how to get access to the settings, which can help us. So let's tap on the three lines icon at the top of the screen and choose the settings and privacy option. And right now you can check if you have this business account activated, because if it's true, if you have this account, you will have the special options like business suite. So if you have this feature, let's disable the business account after going to the last option. Later you need to choose the manage account option and pick on the switch to personal account feature. Later you just need to confirm your choice after picking on the switch anyway. And right now, as you can see, we have this special alert and notification that right now our account is private. So let's check it after going back using the arrow at the top. I will click on this arrow again and refresh my profile page. So let's go to this song I showed you before. So it was on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe also on our HardReset.Info channel. And it was this sound, so let's check it. I need to tap on the sound icon at the bottom of the screen, and right now I have all of the option to use this sound or to add this track to my favorites without any troubles. So if you right now know how to fix your problem, how to use the selected and the sound you prefer, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find out even more cool tutorials about the TikTok application and more other programs. Guys, thank you for watching. Good luck. Bye bye.